Yeah, guys, here we are, Family Dollar. They don't have absolutely nothing. And look at this. This is nice. This is nice. But I came looking for some flowers. Okay. Yeah, I'm with my husband. That's him talking. So I'm just looking to see what they have for home decor. And I don't see anything, guys. I don't see nothing. Here we are on the candles. So let me see what they have for home decor. Here we are. The plants are nice. They're kind of expensive. $10 for those little pots. These ones are $8. I have a real plant like this actually. Yeah, guys, I don't see nothing that I actually want. Hi. Let me go to see what they have for kitchen. See if they have anything for like plates and stuff. See what they have. This is, nope, I don't see anything. This is tumblers. This is good for coffee. Nice for coffee. I like the color though. I hope you guys are doing good. Let me see. Yes. Look at my husband. He's shopping. Let's see if I can find that out, guys. Hold on. Alright, guys, let's look at the artwork. What they have for plates are just regular white plates. And no, I didn't like what they have. It's like basically what they sell at the Dollar Tree. So this is what they have for the artwork. This is nice. If you want to read it, you can pause the video and read it. That was nice. Yeah, they don't have much decor in this store. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. Where did you go? And these are $8 and $5. There's some. Let me bring you guys closer. Or okay, black wall shelf set. Love, love, live. These are $6, I believe. 3 shelves. This is nice for like the bathroom. Yeah, they like nice for like the bathroom. Got this. They're $8.50. I see the prices there. But I have to be careful what I put on my wall because I'm renting my place. Over here they have the curtains. I have those curtains. Those are nice. I have those curtains. Alright, guys. I'm gonna leave you up to here. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.